Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can find sound settings on the smartphone. You have to go for the settings, then smoothly move to the sound and vibration. When you are here, we can find all the sound settings that we get on the smartphone. We got here the volume settings. We got modes like silent mode, do not disturb mode. Also we can adjust vibrations like for calls, and in silent mode we can change haptic feedback level of vibration. And when you go for the additional settings, here we can find also the couple of the things. And there we get here the sound effects like H5 audio, or the headphone remote buttons or assign buttons, but we are not connected with earphones. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.